you. It is going to be one electrifying evening tonight. We know that, of course. So welcome tonight. TCO and Rock Music present Rahat Fateh Khan. So as per usual, you know the drill. A big thank you to our title sponsor, Pepe's Piri Piri. Tonight's event is sponsored by Sauna's Haute Couture, Davat Rice, Gold Bank. Now, a quick one from Gold Bank. They have in fact selected 2 seats at random, and those 2 seats, one will get 1 gold coin and 1 silver coin, okay? So you could be the lucky one, who knows? Thank you so much to our TV partner, Sony TV, radio partner, Sunrise Radio, hospitality partner, Taj Hotel, and our catering partner, Spice Village. Right, so before we kick off tonight, we have an amazing opening act, okay? So this guy, I have heard tremendous stuff about him. Rahat Fateh Khan, just the other day at the press conference, was praising him and how. So this guy, he's learnt music from USA. He's already done with his collaboration with Rahat Fateh Khan, which is going to be releasing end of April. He's performing